Debating on doing another layer up here around the shifter. A lot of noise coming through that area. These pockets back here were just full of dog hair and grime and probably boogers. But anyways. Okay, I've been out here power washing this carpet. I got everything matted up that I want to, so now I'm gonna... Okay, I just got done wrestling the carpet back in here. Definitely looking a lot better, but still has some stains that are probably never going to come out just from it being worn, where right here it's almost got like no carpet left, pretty stained. I don't know, it might turn out okay once it dries, we'll see. Definitely an improvement though. Okay, before you get all excited with the cutoff wheel, cutting this thing out. It's actually just bolted in to there, and then you'll have extensions through these two holes with the nuts that are on those studs, and then one more back there. This hole is, we'll have to pry it up because it is glued in with some of that sound deadening material, but that saves yourself a whole cutoff blade probably, so sweet. Okay, so I started cutting back here. As you can see, that compared to that, so that gets me a whole bunch of room. I'll end up putting something to protect these edges so I don't slice myself, to make it look a little more finished. But once I get all the sound deadening insulation put in, it'll look kind of clean actually. So one side down, kept the structure for the speaker. Everything's still really strong, so it doesn't seem like it really lost anything. I think that stuff was just there mainly for just mounting interior panels. So that's pretty cool, not too bad. There's all the stuff that's been chopped out so far. On to the next side. All right, both sides are chopped out. I did that driver's side in one cut, and sweet Pete making a whole bunch of racket. But now I'm gonna clean all this up hopefully tomorrow, vacuum all this nasty old 30 years of gunk out of here, dog hair, and wipe it down real good, and then start putting down the sound deadening. And not forget I hit this with a wire brush, knocked off all the high stuff already. And everything's kind of damp, it's been rainy out, so hopefully this stuff will be dry enough to apply tomorrow. Play it by ear. Okay, it's been a few days, but I finally got a chance to start wiping this down. It's pretty disgusting. These pockets back here were just full of dog hair and grime and probably boogers. But anyways, here's kind of what it's looking like. And that's what it was looking like. It's gross. Yeah, it's disgusting. But anyways, cleaning all this out, and then get it dried, hit it with another vacuum, and start applying the sound deadening. Get this seat pulled back out. I've been driving the truck like every day, so I had to toss the seat back in. But it's definitely a big improvement. All right, all the kill mat is in everywhere I want it. Debating on doing another layer up here around the shifter. A lot of noise coming through that area. And then I have the other foam, which I used a little bit here. That's more of like a sound deadening foam, whereas the kill mat is more of like a vibration dampener, kind of like a more for resonance. But I think the rule of thumb is to do the kill mat style stuff, like the old Dynamat used for stereo systems, that down first, and then the thicker foam style like that to dampen sound. But I don't really know what I'm doing. I never put this stuff in before, but I read something along those lines. Anyways, this is kind of a lot more work than what it seemed like it would be, but it's definitely probably worth it. Find out. Okay, I got everything matted up that I want to, so now I'm gonna try to fit this carpet back in. I cleaned the carpet, power washed it and all that, but it's not exactly how I like. I'm gonna see how it fits back in here and see if it looks grody or not, and then if not, I'm gonna leave it in. If it looks real bad, I'm probably gonna pull it out and try to dye it. Okay, I just got done wrestling the carpet back in here. It cleaned up pretty well. I'm gonna leave it. It's definitely worn out though, so I see it being replaced in the future, but for now I'm gonna ride with it. Okay, got the seats back in, carpet in. Still looks worse on camera than it actually does, but cool. About to go get a test drive in. I just put this up and now I can't get it down, so I don't know the trick to that, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. I also scored these Husky mats, which are pretty sick, but they're for automatic 4-wheel drive, so I had to trim it. It's a mediocre fit. Probably get a heat gun to them and shape them up a little better, but pretty decent. This thing didn't have any floor mats when I got it, so better than nothing. Also, I'm sure people are probably wondering what seats these are. These are actually BMW E46 seats, powered up, so kind of pretty comfy, good support. Done a couple long trips with them. Definitely, I think they're better than the stock 3rd gen seats in my other truck over there. Close the windows. Definitely seems a bit quieter in here, but it's hard to say because I was driving it around with absolutely no interior at all. Say it feels less bassy in here. The exhaust is axle dumped, but I won't really know until I get a trailer hooked up and get it out on the highway and start pulling some weight. That's normally when all the drone and whatnot happens, but it does feel just a little bit more solid, so I'll take it.